Podcast number 3, Neighborhood and Built Environment. In Leon, Iowa, the Decatur County Public Health and Home Care Department leaders have worked to promote active living and wellness in a number of ways, including a wellness center, public bike racks, health messaging banners, and a monthly health and wellness newsletter.
Decatur County is located about 1 hour south of Des Moines. The main towns are Leon and Lamoni, and each with about 2,000 to 3,000 apiece. The county population is about 9,000 residents. Probably 20% or more are elderly, so this is the poorest county in Iowa. So there's a lot of Medicare and Medicaid population that lives here. We run about 15 programs. So we are funded totally with grants and Medicare, Medicaid, and VA through our home care system. I decided we really need to expand our horizons because public health was started as public health, and to me, I've always thought it takes in everything. So I got where I expanded, went into the community and tried to do a lot of community programs besides our major home care program for the elderly and disabled. Decided it was time to buy a building. So we bought this building, which was like an old warehouse, refurbished it. So we added, when we renovated, it's a wellness center. It's open to anyone in Decatur County. We mostly see our clients as those that live in the Leon area and surrounding small towns, because in Lamoni they do have their own wellness center, and that's about 20 miles away. It has 12 pieces of equipment. You have to have a membership. There's a key code to get in. We encourage the elderly to come when we're here. And so the majority of clients that use our facility are the elderly. Then the next focus is our trails, which I wanted to promote. We had beautiful trails, but we needed to spruce them up. And one of the complaints was people really would like to have known how far they were walking. So in Lamoni and Leon at both trails, we have, and the cities both helped install it, we have signage that 0.25 miles it shows how far you walked, whatever end you start on. And then it's got a healthy message such as not smoking, healthy foods, healthy living, and wellness. So it has been a big plus. We have a brochure to promote all the exercising activities in the county, because we try to promote people to exercise whether they have money or no money. Trail in Leon, we partnered with the DNR, community members, and the local FFA students at Central Decatur, and planted 100 trees along that trail. So to have shade hopefully within 10 years and help the environment. And we created writing on the stalls, and it is still done even though the grant has ended. We put it in about 50 places throughout the county in the bathrooms each month. And it's to promote healthy messages. Also, if there's health fairs, festivals, whatever. That has probably been one of the things that people really enjoy. We have banners that we created with healthy messages. They are located throughout the county. We then created bike racks to promote biking for adults and children. They're mostly installed throughout the county at the parks. We have them downtown in Leon and Lamoni, and we kind of created them and had them designed with 2 local welders who made them to promote also different artwork. And they also are located at the schools to promote biking to school, which people really have enjoyed that, and the schools tell me the kids are riding their bikes. Part of healthy living is also to promote reading, which helps your mind to have healthy living. So we have one on the courthouse lawn here in Leon and one at the hospital. And then this spring I'm going to try again to get one for each of our little communities to put at their park. I do talk to people in the Wellness Center every day. They've also shared with me through the years that they have gotten off their blood pressure medicine, or their blood pressure has been decreased. Their cholesterol has changed. They're eating better. We've had quite a few people who told me they've quit smoking because once they got working out, they wanted to get healthier. We do talk about eating fresh fruits and vegetables and getting off the greasy food. The other thing we started approximately 2 years ago is we partnered, I did, with the Community Health Center, which manages the health clinics. They have to, through Community Health, promote not smoking and promote Quitline Iowa, but we also have partnered where when they have a discharge plan, they talk to their patient and the doctors prescribe exercise. So the exercise doesn't have to be the wellness center. It can also be walking on the trails. It can be walking around downtown where we have a sign that shows if you walk on the inside of the courthouse how many miles, and if you walk on the perimeter how many miles is, how far it takes to go for a mile. I especially enjoy working with the elderly because they seem to have more time. They want to be healthy. They want to live longer to see their grandkids. So that's been, really rewarding. A lot of communities 20 years ago, 15 years ago, did not work together. And now we have a great collaborative network here in Leon and the county. We do have healthcare meetings every 2 months that we talk about what everybody's doing. We've also brought in the school systems with that and Decatur County development because we see it as everything that can affect your health besides your health, besides being physical, it's also social stuff. And I feel like that's been my greatest accomplishment because I got people to think outside the box, that it's not just, whether you take a pill or not, but the housing affects you, whether you're reading, whether you're networking with people and volunteering. So, it feels good.